So this part is very easy. We are going to use 4 of these passion fruits, cut them in half, and get the seeds out. Do not toss the peel away. We're going to use it, okay? Also for this recipe, we would need 2 ripe lemons. Cut one in slices and the other one cut it in half. We're going to use the slices and then we're going to use the lemon juice of the one we cut in half. Okay, so we're going to put the heat on low. I'm going to use this pan, but you can use any other pan that's comfortable for you. Now, passion fruit is, we're going to use the seed of the passion fruit. This one is very rich in vitamin C. It boosts your immunity, and it has a lot of iron too, vitamin B6, B3, and it can regulate the thyroid activity in your body. It means that it can help you lower down your weight. We're going to sweeten this with a little bit of honey, or if you don't want honey, you can use agave or stevia, either or. Now next we're going to add the ripe limes that we cut in slices just to spice up that flavor, and squeeze the juice of that lemon that we cut before. We're going to give it a good stir and simmer it from 5 to 8 minutes until it has like a thick consistency. Put a lid on top of it and let it simmer like for about 5 or 3 minutes after you give it a good stir. Now, when it already cools down, transfer the jam. Look how rich it looks. Transfer the jam to a clean jar. Make sure to sterilize that jar with boiling water like you would do with baby bottles, for example. And that's it. Keep it in a cool place, and that will last for weeks. Just make sure to use a clean spoon whenever you want to have a taste of this jam. Do not use like a dirty spoon already licked because it has a lot of bacteria and it will rot if you do that. This jam is so acid and it has a great like vibrant taste. You can use it with your smoothies, you can use it on top of your pancakes, parfait or parfait, which is with yogurt. Be creative.